Today's day 2. The 14th. I don't know if there's any outside.
Probably not, but
Day 2.
Spider webs outside.
14th.
Open the door.
Everywhere.
Apparently there's yins everywhere.
It was the
Up there, in the foosball table, in the wraith here. There's been infestation of strays. Yeah, how do you feel about this?
it's interesting, you know. That was just a lot of the sun. Like, I woke up in the morning and I see that.
Sammy, do you know the
Yeah, I mean, I found one, but I'm not gonna say where it is. But let's let someone else find the one that I found.
Okay, alright, very good. Keeping information to yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You know, hey, until you know more, right?
I can say there's a few that are not in plain sight.
They've never been cited. It's very interesting.
Yeah, they're a little more hidden.
What the?
So, still in the morning, about 10:30. 14th. Going to the escape room at 12:45, and we're gonna get lunch then afterwards, and then what are we doing afterwards? I think we might go on a hike, but it also might depend on weather because it might just be too hot. But we're just discovering yins, I guess, everywhere. Oh, what? There's not one in the trash can, is there? Oh, of course. Very good. In the trash can.
This next checks his phone chase. Wait a minute.
Wait, hold on. So, something's happening. Don't know what.
What if you guys could be sitting on one?
Get caught in 4K with my light on by accident. Say what you did.
The internet's turning back on.
This freak. Welcome to my version of the podcast.
Why
No,
do you have your light on?
I just does
This
that.
blinds people. It's like, let me record you. Everyone's like hiding their face because the light is in their eyes.
Let me see if I can turn the light off. It's just dark in here.
And unintentionally trolled everybody.
Can I get like chill if I look at something else?
Welcome
No.
back up. Is it?
Komnata Quest escape rooms. We just finished our room.
No, volume's done.
What was it called? Like St. Angelo's Castle.
Yeah, we had a pretty good time.
It was pretty good.
Up
It was
here,
dark. We
That's where the
It was very,
did things.
it was very dark. Yep.
like
Um,
really beat a world record.
We almost beat the record. We did
I
like
guess it's not that
we're like
bad.
31 minutes,
We
I
were a little
think.
flashy, and that's why it took a little extra time.
Right.
I wasn't.
So, but we almost got there. It was really good. The intro was really nice. We're all locked in a... Huh?
I don't know what they're always talking about.
He doesn't listen to me. Like we're having a conversation, and then when the camera goes on, he immediately acts like I'm just absolutely like we were genuinely just like talking about this case that he bought me, and then as soon as you started vlogging, he was like,
He doesn't care yet. That's how much your friendship is worth to him.
yeah, just a little bit of fame.
Yeah.
A little bit of fame.
What was him? Was it you that was like, no, what was him? What was it that like, oh, I like that freaking, that thing that meme you have?
That was light.
That was like, yeah.
Of course, it was
Anyway.
light. It's always light.
We were all locked in our own cells. We had to get each other out.
He was saying that
It was dark. Used candlelight.
We solved puzzles.
We solved puzzles. It was a little bit on the shorter side.
Yeah.
The room was a little bit on the shorter
I
side.
thought it was going to be like actually a second part.
But they did the 3-room standard. 1 room, 2nd room, and the 3rd one's like, you know, the gotta crouch down, you know. That's like the standard escape room format, which is, I mean, it's good. I know it works for a reason. Yeah.
Every so often. Because I think they only work on 2 rooms.
Yes.
That's pretty neat. Oh.
I think there was another one on the website that they were like making or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
But
But no,
it was fun.
Literally, when we were on our way to the Airbnb,
we're waiting for the others to finish
we
chilling out.
I was talking.
Oh,
I was
shit. There's
talking
an
to
owl.
Keanu,
There's an owl there.
and
yes.
then like it
Zoom
was a
in.
conversation that he started. I was talking to him, and then he just kept doing this. He was like,
It's
Good.
owl time.
"Is he talking to me right now?"
We're getting lunch.
Is that what this is? I thought this was just us hanging out.
It could. I mean, I guess it can be that too.
We're like those people that go to those Mexican restaurants and just eat the chips.
Eat the.
Yeah.
What is this place called again?
Sawasdee.
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 Sawasdee. Sawasdee. So, just put in our orders. They're over there, having a time. We're over here having a time. It's nice and chill. Can't wait for my curry.
I'm scared.
No, you're good. You'll be fine. Yeah, she reacted when you wanted
It
heat.
was all confidence, and then when I ordered the heat level, she went.
Okay, so we'll see if Spencer survives.
If Spencer survives.
See if you need to take a pit stop.
Yeah.
True test.
I'm gonna determine if.
Here we go.
We'll pretend we have ours.
Oh yeah, just like pretend you're eating something. So we have a full table here of food. Doing good. Got some curry here. What did interesting? Looks good. Slay's meal. Yes, meal. Boney's and Spencer's meal, very delicious. Yeah. It might be on its way. What's up?
You might be able to do reading. You might be able to do reading.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome. I'll be back with the.
Very nice.
All right, let's
Looking
see it.
good. Ooh.
You gonna start with it?
Very nice.
Yeah, I want to start with it. I gotta see what happens.
Got taste it. So we're having a good time. Okay.
5 next time. It's good though. It does have.
It's good. Okay. Very nice.
You gotta let it build up. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Good times all around. We're around one. We're bowling. Doing pretty cool stuff. Oh dang. Close. We're having a time. An hour's game. No one's around it. It's nice and quiet. I mean quiet as in there's no other bowlers. Alright, well I need to go up. Here we are playing pool. 2 teams of 3. We're losing. We're solids. Ollie's going in. You're strategizing of what little knowledge we know. Nice. Going for the reach. It's making a statement. Going after this one. All right. Oh no. You just go all the way in, yeah. Let her, she needs to focus. Beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely amazing.
There's a whole section of berries.
Helados Aranda, ice cream shop, blackberry, cheesecake with caramel, little bar. Everyone's getting their treats. We're getting dessert before we go get dinner. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
As it should be.
This is how I move.
Right? We're like living the kids' fantasy. What did Wally get?
I got chocolate and blackberry cheesecake and fudge sauce.
Nice. Very good.
I like how she somehow managed to like combine both of ours.
A little better.
I heard blackberry cheesecake. I was like, that's good. And then I was like, I want to get chocolate noise. And then you get fudge sauce. And I was like, yes.
I also did chocolate new ones.
We're having a good time. Vlogging. Alamo Draft House, America. That's where we are. We're about to go in and watch. What was it called again? Twilight.
Oh yeah.
Warriors. Twilight of the Warrior. Of the Twilight of the Warrior.
The translation didn't do it very good.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, right.
Twilight
So,
of the Warrior. Walled in.
Yes. So it's gonna be a good time. You get to eat. You get to. Nothing. I don't know. You're just there.
Is SPL your favorite? I don't know.
One of my favorites.
Who's your favorite? Jeremy. Oh,
Like I think about just take out.
Everyone's here. Everyone's having a good time. Excited for the movie, for food, for drinks. Very good. So, good times ahead of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're lucky you didn't have to sit next to Ray. That guy was like
What's going on here? Playing house.
Ram's,
And then I realized my shoe was too
Ram
tight.
just crushed the table and he's really proud about it.
It's good.
Deadline's on the other side, like, what the heck are you doing, Ram?
Yeah.
Guppy's like, well, you want to play cornhole? And Ram's
Okay.
like, cornhole sucks. Smash.
Alright.
And Arson's like, alright, everybody, I'm Arson. And he's just gonna stay there.
Alright, Chaotic. What are your thoughts on Twilight of the Fighters? Right? That's what it was called. Twilight of. Yeah. Walled in.
That's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah. I think it is decent action movie.
Okay. Very good. We just got back from the Alamo Draft House. Watched a movie, ate some food.
That cost a lot.
Yeah, it cost a lot.
But it was good, you know.
Yeah, it was good.
I shield for the freaking the alien menus. So I got that one drink, the like acid blood, and I got the casino burger. That was good actually. And I got some popcorn. Nice.
Very nice.
What'd you get?
I got the loaded fries, the pretzel, both appetizers, and I got the mule. It was pretty good. It was all very good. So.
I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Oh no, it's fine. It's like it's small enough, you know. You know how they have it like play in the corner to like avoid it. So we're hanging out.
Light, come here. Light. I just want to know what you got.
But I thought of the
No,
Alamo
what you
Draft
got.
House.
Well, no, I want to know what you got.
Oh, what I got? I got the Philly cheesesteak. And it came with fries. And I tried the mozzarella sticks. And they're pretty good. And the avocado toast is pretty good. The Philly cheesesteak though was alright. I mean, you know, it was fresh, it was cooked well, but it's not like the cheesiest cheesesteak around the block. But you know, it tasted fulfilling. I'd say.
It's good. Very nice.
Savory.
Very good.
Now they're putting the back in.
Yeah, I saw that there he is. Good doctor. Dr. Arson.
Oh yeah, the one and only.
The true arse. He's messing it up. He's breaking it.
Snakes out.
Very good. So we're hanging out. Got a long day tomorrow.
We do.
So we'll see what happens regarding the rest of the evening. Well,
I have to do we just gave Sammy like the perfect
which is good. Oh, don't do that while I do that. I felt that in my nuts.
Is this a Nickelodeon show?
People like feet.